Okay, we're going to be looking at the tangent line in this problem. And so I've got this nice pretty picture here drawn out for us. This red line here, or just follow the cursor. Okay, this is our graph of our function. And then the straight line up here is the graph of our tangent line. And this is our function here, the square root of x plus 1. And then up here hiding out is the equation to the tangent line. And that's going to be the goal in this problem, and that is finding the equation to the tangent line. So first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to find the slope of the tangent line. So let's look at that first procedure. And once we find the slope, which is m, then we're going to want to find b. So this is going to be the goal right here. We want to find y is equal to mx plus b. But first we got to find m. And to find m, that means we need to first find f prime. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get this out of radical form, put it in exponential form, and then we're going to take the derivative. So that means I'm going to take this 1/2, bring it out front, rewrite everything in parentheses, subtract 1 from the half, you get negative 1/2. And now what we're going to do is we're going to plug 0 in to our derivative, and when we do, we end up with 1/2. Now we have y is equal to 1/2 x plus b, and so now we've found m, we want to find b. But here's something we don't have, and that's y. We have x is 0, but we need to get y, so we'll have to go back to the original function up here. We said when x is equal to 0, plug 0 in, and we end up with 1. So y would be 1. So as you can see here, that's what I'm doing. And this is the actual point on the graph. So we were only given the x, and then we had to find the y. So now that we have the actual point on the graph, we're going to take this point, plug it in. So 0 goes in for x, 1 goes in for y, and then solve for b. And it turns out that b is equal to 1. Well, now that we have b, we can go ahead and finish this. So we found the slope, and then we found b. So this is the equation right here to the tangent line. It's 1/2 x plus 1. So now that we go back up to the graph, so that's what we're making out right here, 1/2 x plus 1, the equation to the tangent line. So follow those steps, and you could be able to do that for any function at any x value.